everyone, and welcome to a new video. I've done this recording for 3 times now. I should know what I should say, but I don't. Well, I just unboxed my new mic, 8A 2020, and this is the video for the unboxing. Unfortunately, I didn't have the right cable to try it out today. So when I get the sound interface, maybe it will be on Monday, now it's Friday, we will try it out. And enjoy the video, hit like, hit subscribe, and peace. Whoa. Ah, there we go, there's the package. Okay, we're just gonna maybe you wanna see me. How the fuck? 1 second. Okay, we have me right here, and we have. This is the best lighting ever. You have to deal with it, okay? We just. I think you just open it. Should it? Yeah. Whatever. It's no big deal. Fucking knife it down a little bit. Maybe it has like an opening, but openings are for losers, so I just fucking make an opening instead. And if I can like, yeah, I'm getting there, don't worry. This is like hard. Oh, I got it open. It's almost open, guys. Hit like if you want to see the box open, and see you in the next video. Look. Ah, we have the stuff in here. Whoa, it's the stuff. Okay. Oh, sorry. Cut. Okay. We have a cable. This is gonna be in the sound interface. When I get that, I'm gonna do an unboxing of that. So hit the like if you're excited. Let me see if it's the right one. Yeah, probably. And here we have the mic, probably. That looks fancy. There's the mic, guys. Whoa. Hit the like if you're excited. And subscribe, because I didn't mention that in the previous video. Oh, I'm such a good YouTuber, man. Yeah, I'll unbox this, or maybe you want to see this. I don't know. I'll open it up and here's the microphone stand. Oh, it's pretty heavy. I'm gonna fix stuff and be right back. Alright, okay. I opened this thing, and look, I found these, so I just wanted to share these because it's like cool, right? It's cool. It's like it makes noises. Okay, back to fixing things. Okay, I made the thing, and now I have to take this and just put it inside, kind of, if I can. Do it. And yeah, next thing. Let's see, I'm putting this thing in. It's really hard to do it in one hand. So I'll make it, oh fuck. So I fixed it, and look, you can like put it up and down, and I could just stand here and do my shit. That's really nice. You can spin it around. Yeah. Now let's open this bad boy up. Whoa. This is so hot, man. I'm getting turned on. We have instructions, I think. Audio tech, something bullshit. I don't know. Let's put it there. We have There's the beautiful. Oh shit! I have like this really beautiful bag, man. Oh, the mic. It's not that big. Huh. Well, let's put it in. I was thinking something was missing, right? Because I can't just take this in here. And I saw this thing right in this bag. Like, I'm so blessed. I thought I was, you know, going to have to buy something, but no, it comes with the mic. That's fucking awesome. Let's try this bad boy out, shall we? Now that I look at it, it's pretty high up. Not, you know, let's ignore this fucking. There you go. That's better, right? Yeah, it's pretty high up. I don't think, and I can do it like higher as well. So this is like way too high, maybe. I'm not sure. Well, let's try it out if I can.